In this video, I'm going to show you where to find the default Wi-Fi name and password for your TP-Link router. Most routers have a sticker on the bottom or side that displays the default Wi-Fi network name and password. This sticker contains important details about your router. This label will show the default Wi-Fi name, identified as SSID. Beside or underneath it, you'll find the wireless password or PIN. This is the default Wi-Fi password that is pre-configured. If a name is visible and there is no password, it indicates that the network is not secure. If you're looking to update these credentials for security reasons, take a look at my other video. The link to that video is provided in the description below. If you can't find your Wi-Fi on the network or if the password is wrong, you need to reset your TP-Link router to its original factory settings. You can find the instructions for this in a separate video linked in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your insights in the comments.